Hey subbies! Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys why online shopping is forever outstanding. This method of shopping has definitely made it a lot easier for me to find great deals when shopping, as well as being able to enjoy seeing a variety of different options there when it comes to different items there that I'm looking at, different colors, different sizes, different things there that could go along with the items. Like if I got an iPhone online, I could find different cases, different colors of the cases, different designs, as well as other things that people buy there when they get an iPhone, such as a screen protector. I love how when you do online shopping there that makes it extremely easy because of all these amazing filters there that you can use to make shopping a lot more easy and a lot more fun, especially if you can sort the listings by lowest to highest prices, because why spend more money if you don't have to? I really enjoy the ease of online shopping there, that you can be able to do online shopping right from the comfort of your phone there, thanks to 1,000,001 apps to make it very easy, as well as being able to do it using a laptop or desktop computer, so then you can see clearly the items there that you're looking at with the huge display to make it very easy to not misclick on things there, which that's a very scary nightmare there for people there when they are doing online shopping, is, oh my goodness, why did I just buy that? I didn't mean to. Oops. But I really enjoy the ease of online shopping and how it's just very modern, because then you can even have items sent to your home or to your local store there to pick up as well there if you're doing grocery shopping, which makes it extremely easy, especially when it comes to the hectic and busyness of everyday life, which we all have that happen. It's life and it's how things go sometimes, that it's nice to have a reliable way and consistent way to do grocery shopping and shopping in general, to make it a little easier on everybody there when it comes to getting our things done there that we need to do, and still be able to do the grocery shopping there or standard shopping that we all enjoy and love to do as well. I really enjoy there that when you do online shopping there that you also get recommendations of, because you bought this there, we really think that you'll like this because other customers also bought this, who bought this item there that you're looking at. That is a goldmine of information, and I really enjoy having that option, because it's a lot of fun there to be able to enjoy items there that you wouldn't have thought of getting there, but because other people buy it, you think, hey, maybe I need that like these people did. I'm really happy there that the shopping app recommended that to me, because now I don't know how I could live without it. And I love how with a lot of apps there you can even have it set up there to alert you of price changes there when an item goes down in price, so you can get it for an even better price than what you thought. It's amazing there how helpful technology is, and how you can also, if the item has a tracking number after you've ordered, you can then track your items, then you know when to expect it, so then you know what day and to be home there, so then you don't miss your wonderful package there that you've been waiting, because it's a present from yourself to yourself. I will be sure to link my social media down below, as well as putting it here on the screen for you guys to easily follow me on my social media. I will have my Twitter and my Instagram up here on the screen. I would really love it if you guys would follow me on there, because it would mean the world to me for you guys to keep up with me and send me video suggestions, so then I can have your input there on some new videos there that I'll be uploading onto YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, subbies.